Good morning everybody, and welcome back to another video here at Rose Cottage Acres. I hope you've been having a wonderful time here in this beautiful fall weather. I know I've been enjoying it. It's really amazing that I've got so much still growing in the garden, because usually it's pretty much finished at this point and it's strictly winter gardening. But it's just been one of those kind of odd years where we've had these burst of warmth and it hasn't gotten too cold yet, and I've really been taking advantage of it. So I thought I'd give a quick tour to show you how things are going. So I've only gotten one squash off of this guy so far, but if it doesn't frost in the next couple of days, I think I'll end up with one or two more. I actually picked one of these guys. These are the loofah gourds, opened it up, and they are not ready. There was no gourd inside yet. So I'm hoping to end up having them hang on just a little longer so I can get a few gourds. This one has really developed a lot over the last few days, so it's looking like I may get a couple. Tons of eggplant coming on all my different plants. I'm trying to have them go a few more days, so hopefully they'll be really nice size. Now somebody else is really enjoying this fall weather too, and that is these two roosters. They are finding all kinds of grubs and bugs in the leaves, and they are having a great time, aren't you boys? Yes, you are. They're such good-tempered fellows. They really are. Just kind of a waste of space, right, boys? Because I don't want to raise silkies. I have a couple silky hens that I've got for eggs because I love silkies. But I don't necessarily want to breed silkies. I only have so much space. I really want to concentrate on the kosher variety. These guys are still looking for homes. Good-tempered birds that they even show each other where the treats are. They're so nice. Aren't you boys? I have a lot more broccoli. I think I showed this off before, back when it was being attacked by the cabbage moth, but it is really doing pretty good right now. Not to give it a watering. It looks like a lot of them have come back and are going to do okay as long as the worms leave them alone. So these are my Christmas potatoes. They may not actually make it till Christmas, but they are in the greenhouse, so hopefully they do okay. And then here is my main winter garden bed. And it's just some lettuces and some rocket and kale, some beets and some turnips, but protected in the greenhouse like this. And I will throw a layer of fleece over it, which is another name for the Rime agricultural fabric, and hopefully they will go all winter long and I'll have fresh greens all winter. Obviously this tiny little greenhouse is not my dream structure, but this is its second year, and it does work okay. If I have a really heavy snow, it may end up collapsing. I did put a ridgepole in it, but a really heavy snow will probably take it down. But you know, sometimes you start with what you have, and although my dream is a 20-foot long hoop house, this is what was sensible right now. It was on clearance for like 40 bucks when I got it. It's holding up okay, and it's functional, and it grows a little food in the winter. So between that and my mini hoop houses that I can put out on the ground and my remake cloth, I have enough to get by until I put in the structure of my dreams. Well, that's it for today. I hope you've enjoyed my quick little garden tour, and I hope it's made you realize that you too can grow year-round. If you are in zone 7 or larger, you absolutely can. And I know a lot of people in as low as zone 4 that still garden under several layers of plastic, a greenhouse with a mini greenhouse inside, things like that. So if you weren't very successful this summer, don't give up. Just plant some things for winter growing and see if you're successful this time. The great thing about gardens is it's not, oh no, now I've failed. You've always got another opportunity to try growing. Hope you have a blessed day.